Hello and welcome to the DATAcated Power BI tutorials. In this video, we're going to talk about what is Power BI. Power BI is a data analysis and visualization tool. It's basically a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your data sources into coherent and visually impressive interactive dashboards. Your data may be an Excel spreadsheet or a collection of cloud-based and on-premises hybrid data warehouses, including Salesforce, Google Sheets, and others. Power BI basically lets you easily connect to your data sources, visualize and discover what's important, and then you can actually share that with anyone and everyone you want. Let's briefly touch on the parts of Power BI. So Power BI consists of a Windows desktop application called Power BI Desktop. Then there's an online software as a service thing called Power BI Service. And then you've got Power BI mobile apps for Windows, iOS, and Android devices. Now, these three elements, Power BI Desktop, the service, and the mobile apps, are actually designed to let you create, share, and consume business insights. Let's briefly explore the report building environment. So in Power BI Desktop, you're going to build reports in the report view. You'll be working with 5 main areas. You'll see number 1 is the ribbon. Now this displays the common tasks that are associated with reports and visualizations. The second one, the report view, or sometimes you call that the canvas, is where visualizations are created and arranged. So you can switch between report, data, and model views by selecting those little icons in the left column. The Pages tab is basically located along the bottom of the page, and this is the area where you would select or add a report page. This is very similar to how you would add new sheets in an Excel spreadsheet. The fourth one is the Visualizations pane. This is where you can change visualizations, customize colors or axes, drag in fields, and more. And number 5 is the Fields pane. So this is where query elements and filters can be dragged into the report view or dragged to the filters area of the Visualizations pane. A quick tip here on collapsing panes, that you can actually collapse the filters, visualizations, and fields panes in order to provide some more space in the report view or in that canvas by selecting that small arrow as shown in the following screenshot. All right, now let's go ahead and introduce Power BI content. So we've got 3 different content types. We've got apps, reports, and dashboards. So what are these things? An app is basically a Power BI content type that combines related dashboards and reports all in one place. So an app can have 1 or more dashboards and or 1 or more reports all bundled together. Reports. So a Power BI report is a multi-perspective view into a data set with visuals that represent different findings and insights from that data set. So a report can have a single visual or pages full of visuals. A few things to keep in mind is that one report can be associated with multiple dashboards. One report can be created using data from only one data set, and one report can be part of multiple apps. Now, the third content type is a dashboard. So a Power BI dashboard is a single page, often called a canvas, that uses basically visualizations to tell a story. And because it's limited to one page, a well-designed dashboard contains only the most important elements of that story and nothing else. So one dashboard can actually display visualizations from many different data sets, and one dashboard can display visualizations from many different reports. All right, I hope you found this video on what is Power BI helpful. And if you wanted to check out my course called Data to Dashboard with Power BI, please go ahead and go to datacatedacademy.com.